Together, let's explore Palawan. Last August 4 to 7, 2022, I went to Palawan. Sinundo kami ng van and we had grocery shopping. Bumili ako ng 3 liters of water, some chips and noodles. I actually bought water kasi I've heard na may water problems sa Palawan. So just to be sure, I bought my own water. I was dropped off at Manangkil Travel Lodge. The clean room has a decent sized bed, working aircon, and a hot shower. Going to the beach just takes 2 to 3 minute walk. I went to the shore where you could see establishments where you could buy food and drinks. And I actually ended up at Sea Dreams. It's actually a rooftop bar and I ordered some cocktails and food. Day 2 is for El Nido Tour. I got Tour A. And yung first stop ay ang 7 Commando Beach and actually just lounge around and swim there. Next is the secret lagoon. You have to go through a tiny hole to get in and out of the lagoon where the water is a mixture of salt and fresh waters. Third stop is Shimizu Island, named after the diver Mr. Shimizu, who sadly died while diving in the tunnel. It is actually a beautiful spot for free diving and snorkeling para makita mo yung ganda sa ilalim ng tubig. Our group also had our lunch in that area. Fourth stop, the Big Lagoon. To enter this place, you need to rent a kayak and paddle your way inside. There's a secret passage there. Not everyone knows about it, so make sure to pass through that route. After the tour, I headed back to Puerto Princesa and I was dropped off at Tensai Pension House, which has all the basic things that you might need. Day 3 was for Underground River Tour. You have to walk first to get to the river, and this is interesting because you'll see wild monkeys along the way. You'll be given a device wherein you could listen and learn about the underground river. It was very surreal inside. You can never fathom the majesty of that place. It's peaceful, quiet, and the only thing that you could hear and see is nature. For my last day, I went to BM Beach. It's less than a 10-minute tricycle ride from Tensai Pension House. You don't have to pay for an entrance fee. Some locals told me that this place is not Instagram worthy, and I object. The sand is fine, water is clear, and the place is free of plastic waste. Actually, better pa nga to sa beaches near the metro. I also had a city tour. First is the Ugong Rock Formation, which is a dry cave good for spelunking. For the city tour, we went to the Crocodile Farm, a sanctuary for crocodiles.
Meron po tayo dyan 7 big crocodiles po. Ayan, so ito pong mga malalaking crocodiles na to ay galing sa wild. So nanggaling po yan sila sa wild. Ito ay nandito because of human and crocodile conflict. May nangyaring hindi maganda sa area, kaya namin sila dinala dito. Pinakamalaki sa kanila, ito pong si Makma. Ayan, yung nasa ilalim po ninyo. Yan po ay more than 60 years old na. And 17 feet yung kanyang haba. Yan ay nanggaling sa Makaraskas. Dito lang po yan sa Puerto Princesa. So siya po yung halos kasing laki ni Rio, yung skeleton.
We also went to Bakersfield. It is popular for its lovely houses, amazing landscape, iba't ibang plants and flowers, and yung masarap na hopya. Make sure na dito na bumili ng pasalubong kasi mas mahal na pag nasa bayan. Next, Baywalk is a popular spot for both tourists and even locals kasi dito pwede mag-relax, kumain at uminom. The last stops are the Plaza Quartel and the Cathedral. My trip ended at day 4, but the fond memories I have in Palawan are forever.